Hello all. Today we will learn the solution of logic circuit and from that its truth table. So let us begin with it. So for that, first of all, you must know the logic operation of various basic logic gates. Basic logic gates are 7. First logic gate is AND gate. It gives multiplication of 2 bits. Then not AND, that is NAND gate, that is the opposite of AND gate. Third gate is OR gate, that gives addition of 2 bits. Then NOR gate, not of OR gate. Next gate is XOR gate, exclusive OR gate. When 2 bits are at same, so you will get 0 0 answer, and if 2 bits are different, then you will get 1 logic, right? Next gate is buffer. So buffer, that means whatever you give data, same data will be available at output. So 0 will be give output as a 0 and 1 will give output 1, and exact opposite of that gate is inverter. Also it is all known as NOT gate. So if you apply 0, you will get answer 1. If you apply 1, you will get answer 0. And here equation of all the gates are given. So you have to remember this gates and its input and output combination for the solution of logic circuit. Now let us take one example. Suppose here you are given a circuit. Here one circuit, logic circuit, will be given to you that you have to solve. So here see, one gate is XOR gate. So here XOR gate truth table is mentioned. Next gate is XNOR gate. So XNOR plus NOT gate will give XNOR operation. So that you have to remember. And third gate is use AND gate. So AND gate's truth table is taken here. Okay. Now with the use of these 3 gates, we will solve this circuit very easily. First of all, see in the circuit how many inputs are there? 3, A, B and C. Okay, so total 2 raised to 3, 8 combination will be there. A, B and C, these 3 are input. Okay, next the answer of first XOR gate is denoted by D. Answer of XNOR gate is denoted by E. It is written here. And the final answer AND operation of D, E and C is taken as a X. So our final output will be X. Okay. So now let us begin with the first combination. So here in the first row you can see that value of A, B and C are 0, 0, 0. So you have to simply just put 0 value at the appropriate lines. So now you can see from the figure that this D, answer of D you will get when you do the XOR operation of A and B. So getting this answer, you have to do XOR operation of A and B. Now E. What is E? So that is the XNOR operation of B and C. So B and C XNOR operation will give output as a E. Okay. So when we apply 0, 0, 0 at the point of A, B and C, so let us do first XOR of A and B. So that are 0, 0. So as you know from the table of XOR, right? So 0 0 combination will give answer 0. So write down 0 in the D. Now E, that is the XNOR of B and C. So 0 0 XNOR will give output as a 1. Okay. Next combination, do the XOR operation of A and B. Let us first do the XOR operation of all the combination of A and B. So this 0 0 XOR will give 0 0 1, difference is there, so one answer will be there. 0 1 difference, so one answer will be there. 1 0, so answer will be 1. 1 0, again answer will be 1. 1 1, both the bit are same, so answer will be 0. 1 1, both the bit are same, so answer will be 0. So same bits gives 0, but different bit give answer logic 1, that you can verify by this truth table. Okay. Now we have to find this E. So what is E? B and C and its XNOR operation. B and C XNOR. So 0 0 same, that means opposite of XOR operation. So same bit in the XOR will give answer 0, but in the XNOR it will give 1. Same bit 1. So write down first answer. 0 1 difference will give 0. 1 0 difference 0. 1 1 same bits, so answer is 1. 0 0 same bit, so answer will be 1. 0 1 difference bit, so answer will be 0. 1 0, so answer will be 0. 1 1 same bit, so that will give answer 1. Okay. So in simple manner you have find out D and E. Now the turn is of X. So what is X? So see in the figure, X is the AND combination of D, E and C. So here C, D and E, these three bits will get multiply, or you can say it is AND operation, and you will find out X. So let us start with the first combination. First combination is 0 0 1. So multiplication with 0 will give 0 answer. So first answer will be 0. Now see in the next combination, next two combination, at least 1 0 is there, so 0 answer is there. Next combination 3 times 1s are there, so it will give answer 1. And in the next all combination at least 1 0 is present, so multiplication of all this combination will be 0. Okay. So very simple. So in this manner we can find out easily truth table of any combination. Just you have to remember is that first step is to identify the gates, then remember its truth table, then put particular points D, E and whatever manner it is required, right? And find out from its truth table for each combination its output and hence final output. Okay. So it is very easy to solve logic circuit its truth table. Now let us take second example. So in assignment number 2 you have to solve various logic circuit that I have already described, right? So here in the logic circuit only NAND gates are given. So you have to remember truth table of NAND gate for the various combination. So here as I have explained in the earlier slide, you have to write for various input combination. 2 input are there, A and B. So 2 raised to 2, 4 combination will be there. For each combination you have to find out small x, small y, capital X, capital Y, capital Z. Okay, so in this manner you will find out all the answers that you can verify easily using the NAND gate. Okay, so you have to remember all these basic logic gates. So same manner you have to solve other 4 circuits in the assignment number 2. Okay, thank you.